My plan was always, I'm gonna go to college, I'm gonna go pre-med, I'm gonna go to medical school. My brother was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia when I was 15. It's around the same time where I found painting. My name is Derrick Li, and I am a painting and drawing major. There's no other place that would allow a fine arts student to go to medical school. UConn, the special program of medicine, so long as I complete all my med school prerequisites, I can graduate with a degree in fine arts and then still go to medical school. I've had this project in my head for a while, a project about disease. All the models that I use have had some sort of critical illness. Their whole lives have been characterized by their disease. You don't really need to know that these people have disease. These are just normal people. It's like, oh, they have disease? I wouldn't have been able to tell. And then that's kind of the point. I know my brother, he's so much more than the disease that he had. There was a period of time where we didn't even know if he was gonna go to college, what the next year was gonna look like. He's in remission now. He's doing great. So that's what I'm trying to do. These are just people. I'm trying to humanize these patients. Being able to think emotionally like that is very important for painting and in medicine for me.